Hey guys, it's Cinquanta of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. I am back with the case study series. We are making our first sale online in 30 days using Shopify for beginners. I am doing this video today and showing you basically how to sign up for Shopify. I had to actually do it before you guys do your free trial because I don't want to run the risk of someone taking my Shopify name once these videos come out. I know it's like, girl, nobody's going to take your name, but no, this type of thing happens. As soon as someone puts something out and they don't secure everything, it happens. People will take it. People will take the idea. So I am starting my free trial early, but you will actually see this video later in the series. So it will look like I am starting the 14-day trial with you all. But I have to do it now, like I said, in not running the risk. So this is Shopify. On your own time, please feel free to check out the website if you have not before. Learn information about it, understand what kind of platform it is, and then we can go from there. So I am going to start my free trial, and my email address is slothloftshop@gmail.com. Let's see. Put in a password, and the store name will be Sloth Loft, and it looks like it is available. And that's the type of thing that I want to happen. I want it to be available. Okay? Because like we saw that Sloth Loft Facebook page, and I made this name up. It was nothing that was premeditated or anything. I made this up randomly when I was showing people how to create a website on Canva. So you got your free trial. Let me see if they sent the email yet. I'll refresh that. Got your free trial. Said, are you already selling? I'm not selling products yet. Do you have something to sell? I'm still brainstorming. But by the time you see these videos, yes, I have a product ready to launch, because we'll talk about the product before we even sign up. What is your current revenue? Right now, we're not making any money because we're just starting. These are just questions they ask. You do not have to do this. What industry will you be dealing in? Let's see. We're just going to put other. So, and this is for if you are creating a store for somebody else. Okay, so I'm going to hit next. So this is information so you can get paid. So I'm going to pause the video so I can fill this out. All right, so I fill my address out, and then I hit enter my store or enter store. That was at the bottom. One of the last things I had to do was put in the actual website, which is www.slothloft. So here, it tells you everything. Getting started. This is all things that you need to be doing on your own, doing your own time, going through each of these different things, learning about the theme, the customizing the theme. I think I am going to go ahead and do the domain name today. So let's see if they sent the email yet. I'm going to refresh that one more time. But one of the things that we want to do is customize, add our domain name. So here it says strengthen your brand, so it does not say slothloft.myshopify.com like here. Instead, it would say slothloft.com. So you hit add your domain. Let me go back to the email, see if it may or may not. We may not need it yet to verify the account. Nope, no issues so far. So, and this is going to pop up until you select a plan. All right, so we want to connect it to an existing domain, and this is if, like I did in the first beginning, I created a domain name on GoDaddy. So it says, what domain do you want to connect? So slothloft.com, right? Okay, so it says connect to your domain GoDaddy domain. So we want to just do this automatically, right? So it's going to bring up GoDaddy, and we're going to log in. All right, so this screen comes up for you to log into your GoDaddy account. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. All right, then you get this screen connecting your domain slothloft.com to Shopify site for Shopify requires we disconnect it from the GD default hosting and change some DSN records. So connect to slothloft.com and change your DNS records. Yes, we want you guys to do it automatically. So we're going to hit connect. And now it says success. You have successfully enabled the service Shopify site from Shopify Slothloft. Okay. So now it's going to verify the connection here, making sure the website is talking to each other and making sure that when people go to www.slothloft.com, they end up at my Slothloft Shopify store. And it should be approved and it should be a success because we did it automatically. Now, if you did it manually, it would give you the information in how to get in there. But doing automatically, especially when you're hooking it up from a host, lets you know that it was good. So your domain name Slothloft was successfully completed. Your domain name is now pointing to your online store. Some changes can take up to 24 hours. So we have that. All of this information is basically pending that things get, done correctly. So we're going to go back to home. And that was one of the biggest things that you will do in here. Now we'll go about adding products and customizing themes later, but I will, while I'm in here, quickly show you guys how to find your apps, because I think I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 of the apps that we want to use. So here you hit apps on the left hand side and then you go visit the app store. So one of the apps that we talked about in the first couple of videos, we talked about Privy. So we're going to go ahead and add Privy to our apps in our Shopify store. And this is the Shopify app store. So we're just going to search Privy. And I love Privy because they have like pop-ups and they have the spin to win tool that I absolutely love. Having it connected to my Shopify store basically brought me in almost an additional $3,000 just from people giving me their email, spinning the wheel to shop. It just helped them to actually spend money. So here is they have a free plan and they also have a 15-day free trial. I'm on the free plan. Here you can grow your list with pop-ups, reduce cart abandonment, email marketing, information, more information, the pricing, what comes with the free, and what comes with, more here. So you see all that, and they also have reviews. So once you read all of that, you're going to add the app. And remember, we can also use MailChimp. It's up to you, but Privy does talk to MailChimp to add emails from this list to your MailChimp as well. Okay, so then we're just going to make sure we install the app. Okay, and now it has the Privy information. Okay, so right now we're going to skip that. And this is the Privy dashboard. Okay, so one more app that we are going to use for our drop shipping is Orblo. I believe that's how you say it. When I first did my first store, I enjoyed actually using Orblo for my drop shipping for my first business, and to me, it's one of the best apps to use for a drop shipping store. Remember, there's plenty out there. This is just what I enjoy using. It was super easy for me to use as well, so I enjoyed that one. So here, You can see how it works. Talks about how it's drop shipping, talks about the price, and then more different prices. And we're just going to add that app. So those are just two of the first apps that we're going to add to our store. And then that's it for right now. Let's see how long this video is so far. About 10 minutes. The next video, we'll start going into setting up our actual Shopify store with like setting up your settings, setting up the actual store, and then adding your products, picking a theme, and things like that. So now you have Orblo and you have Privy. Again, like I said, Privy talks to MailChimp, so we will talk about that as well. And then with everything, when you sign up for something, it gives you like a little tour and lets you know more information about it. So here we're going to go back to home. And if you need to find out like, okay, so where's my apps? You just go to the App Store, and the apps that you are using, they're supposed to show up here. Let me hit refresh. Let's see. They're supposed to show up here. There you go. So your install apps are right there. And then we're going to go back to home real quick. Okay. And then these are just different information that they give you. But so far we have signed up for Shopify, and we have our first two apps. So I look forward to talking to you guys in the next video. Don't forget, if you want to check out the Plan Your Brand workbook and the checklist, click the link in my description box, or you can get your free print on demand checklist. Again, all these courses can be found at gumroad.com/Cinquanta Cox-Smith. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video.